In English, we might say, does their building need an elevator? Well, in ASL, we'll go like this. All right, let's jump in and sign this question, starting with their. Possessive pronoun, how do we sign it? Flat hand, just arc in their direction. Group of people that are over there, there. If they're not here, but we want to sign about them, just sign off to the side, there. Here is a sign for building. Okay, just think like you're building a building and you're adding extra levels as you go up. All right, the hand shapes are just going to be fingers together and kind of loose like that. Take your non-dominant hand, put it right there, dominant hand on top. Now go up. Building. From the side. Other side. From the front again. All right, you may see it with the hand shapes just like this, with two fingers like this. Building. That's an alternate version you may see. To be consistent throughout this course, we'll be using all of the fingers together, and then building up. All right, here is a sign for need. Use your dominant hand. We're going to use the hand shape of the letter X from the alphabet, right? How do you make an X? Well, just stick up your index finger, curve it down like who? Captain Hook. That's right. You sign X all by itself, go like this, X. Now what we're going to do for the sign for need, we're going to take that X, we're going to put it right about here, tip of the finger, tip of that index finger pointing straight forward, and just drop it down. Need. From the side. Other side. From the front again, need. All right, now this sign also works for the concepts of must, should, and of course we're using it here for need. Here is a sign for elevator. Very visually straightforward. Now I'm right-handed, non-dominant hand, just do a flat hand here, palm facing off to the side. Dominant hand, we're going to make the hand shape of the letter E, like the alphabet. Take the side of the E, start here at the bottom of your hand, and just lightly slide up and go back down. I'm lightly touching, all right? So up, down. We have elevator. From the side. Other side. From the front again. All right, here's an alternate version for elevator you may see. Also visually very straightforward. Non-dominant hand, flat down there, palm down. You're going to put like a person on top and then just let them ride up and down. So that's an alternate version you may see. All right, to be consistent throughout this course, we're going to be signing elevator like this. Flat hand over here, E hand shape, and just up and down. Elevator. Okay, what kind of question is it? Let's see. Their building need elevator? Yes, no question. Raise those eyebrows, lean forward a little bit. Right, so when you're signing elevator. Okay, let's put it all together. Sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Their building need elevator? Eyebrows up. All right, again, here we go. Their building need elevator. All right, speeding up. Here we go. Okay, let's change there. Let's put in a name. So we're going to fingerspell. How about we do, so many names. Let's do Ned, N-E-D, Ned. So go ahead and sign Ned building need elevator. So in English, does Ned's building need an elevator? All right, go ahead, sign Ned building need elevator. Ned building need elevator. Okay, let's sign the original version. Here we go. All right. We just talked about how to sign their building need elevator.